G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today I scored this, not today, but I scored this with a few other ones that I've been picking up around the place. As you know, if you're into this sort of thing, you're always on the look and you always end up with bits and pieces from God knows where. This is, in Australia, would have been classed as a Datsun 1500 sedan. And it's most common to everyone else is called the 510 sedan. Little Datsun, Nissan. I'm pretty sure it says Datsun on the bottom. Yeah, it does say Datsun Bluebird. Yep. Been really badly played with. Have a look at the condition of it. It's all mangled and everything else there. The good part about it is it's still in reasonably good shape. This is one of the ones that's got all the roll cage and all that sort of stuff and everything inside, and the race seats and all that, would you believe it? So yeah, I'll give it a good clean out. I've already done the liberty of drilling it, because I'm just going to do this one up in later on in the video, but we're just going to show you how even one of these ugly looking things that's in a big mess, all bent, wheels don't even just turn because they're all rusted, so it might have been a beach car or something, but alright, well, I've already drilled it, so let's pull it apart. Look at all the dirt, all the sand off it. Righto, put it there. I pull him to bits. Yuck, look at the dirt. Man, look at that. Have a look at that. Isn't she full of some garbage? Alright, anyway, we'll put that up there. Main purpose was, but this was is just to show you what an ugly looking thing with a wheel swap can look like. Just so I don't put any more rubbish on the bench. There's enough on there as it is. Just sweep the sand out of this base a little bit. As you can see, the salt water and whatever else there, this would have been a chrome base because some of the highlights around it in different parts there, you can see where the chrome used to be. As you can, I'll just show you here, just so you can see that little bit of chrome flake, that little tiny bit left there, and I just brushed the other bits off, but I just wanted to get most of this dirt off here. Righto, we'll just I'll use that to do my teeth tomorrow. No, I won't. Right, we'll just quickly flick these out. These are a bit rusted, so just be careful when you're playing with rusted axles. They can actually snap off and end up in your fingers. Right, that's rotten. They're rotten. Oh, like that. They're seized open. No movement at all. But I'm just going to show you just how something cheap and ugly there can look with a set of wheels. Oh, look at the axles ready to snap on that one. That's how rusted that is. Alright, put a set of gold on there. Put a set of gold 5 stars on there. And it's got the tread pattern and all that sort of stuff. Deep, sort of deep dish. This car won't know what's hit it. Thought it would have been destined for the graveyard, but if you're out and about and you're bored and you're into diecast and all that sort of stuff there, don't forget it's a channel called HCT, Hot Car Track. Go and check that out. If you want a rainy day, keep the kids entertained, or yourselves, more so the adults I should say, sorry. I'll rephrase that, don't want to be getting anyone into trouble. Go and check out the Hot Car Track. Race all of these sorts of things. You can even send cars in and race them yourself and get your name up on there. Great for the family, dad, son, all that sort of stuff. Or even if you're just interested in yourself. We've sent some cars in, so we'll just poking these little bits up here just so that axle goes in a bit easier. That way you don't have to risk bending the axle. And then it just pops in easy. Just got to keep making sure I'm lined up with this camera. That's my biggest trouble. Just to make sure I'm still in the camera all the time. So doing this by myself. Rightio. In you go. Yeah, just check that back one just to make sure it is down enough. Yes, down enough. Look at that. Alright. Even though it's dirty, put them on there so they don't roll off the bench. And that's what a difference a set of wheels. Just to set, I didn't wash it and clean it or anything. I just cleaned a bit of that stuff out on the inside of the base where I put the axles, of course. But that's the only cleaning I've done. Otherwise, see an old ugly little thing like that there. We'll call it the raced used version. If he was racing in a rally but looks in the mud and the water inside, he must have ended up in a dam. But that's the little beast there, and that's the gold 5-star Real Riders, and they're on our website. So yeah, they're pretty cool little set. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Talk to you again soon. Hope you enjoy modding. Don't forget, a new set of wheels on a car can make a big difference. And all at the end of the day, we're all having great fun. So that's the main thing. Alright, all the best. Talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye for now.